Part 2 of SketchUp. Try number 5. Alright, first we're going to start with the underneath of the table. I'm going to back up a little bit. And so you can see the underneath. We're going to draw a rectangle across and connecting the two legs. So here's this. And then we are going to pull out this face. And we're going to make it 6 inches down. So 6 and then enter. We're going to triple click this and make it a component by doing this. And we're going to name it cleverly, so face 1. Very clever. And we're going to hit create, and then we're going to hold the shift key and we're going to select all of these. And once these are all selected, we are going to grab the move tool. Actually, we're going to pan to a view that we can see. And we are going to move these legs down to over here. Yes, we're going to move them over there. It's important to keep them on the same plane, so keep them on the same surface. You can do that by using inferencing. So grab the move tool, hold the edge, the option key, and we're going to drag it and make a copy. So see this green line? That means I'm inferencing. I moved. Now I'm no longer on that line. And we're connecting it like that. Zoom in, make sure it's all connected and beautiful looking, like so. And it is. Hallelujah. And I'm going to check the other one to make sure that is in the same place as I left it. Which it is. Hallelujah. It's looking good. And we're going to deselect by clicking away to release the hold of the component. Next, we are going to make the face of the table. We're going to do that by grabbing the rectangle tool, and we're going to make a face. So start here at the edge, then we're going to go down to about here. I'm going to type in these measurements. And 6. Ooh, too much. We're going to type here. Type in 1/2 inch to the 6 inch. We're just gonna have fun with this real quick. And use inferencing because what? Inferencing is our best friend in SketchUp. Now we have this face. I'm gonna grab the push-pull tool and notice how I can pull this edge out. And this is where I tend to mess up slightly. So we are going to be extra super precise with this. And we're going to pull this edge completely over with baby steps. So here's baby step 1. And whoop. I don't know where I am. Back out a little bit. Oh, I know where I am. Okay, good. Whew. That was very scary. And we're going to go back in here. And I'm going to orbit a little. And I'm going to continue to pull it out. Notice how it says on edge, which means it is connected to where I need it to be. Oh yes, it is connected. Amazing! Okay, and now we're going to make it a component as well. By triple clicking and right clicking, make a component. Oop. Hold on. Hold on. We're going to redraw this edge. Actually, because those signifiers meant something was wrong. I think I see a problem. Okay. So we're going to continue to pull this out. We're going to do it again. So grab the push pull tool, pull it out. That's how you know it's too far. Edge and component. Awesome, those are words that we're looking for. And I'm going to check to make sure it is on. Great. Now we're going to triple click, make it a component, put face 2, hit create. And now that this is selected, we're going to pan over to the other side. And we are going to pull it. With the fingers crossed. With the move tool, hold here, option, and we're going to drag it, keeping it all the same line up here, but it's not connected. I don't believe that's right, so I'm going to check just to make sure. And we're checking our work to make sure it matches the other side, in which it does not. So we are going to try moving that again. Grab the component and the move tool, grab here, hold option, drag and copy. Right there. And now we're going to check and see if that is right, which it is. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, it's right. But we're going to make sure it's still connected to the line up here, which it is. And now we're going to attempt to use the arc tool. But first, before we use the arc tool, this is all selected. We're going to make an edge as an inch. And we're going to use the arc tool. 0.1. Oh, not quite. 0.1. And 0.2. Back it up. Over. Tool again. And since my guide went away, I'm going to type 1 inch. Have it set like so. Fingers crossed. What in the world? I'm gonna try this way by selecting both components. I'll select both, grab arc tool, 1.2 and 1 inch here, 1, 2, 1 inch there. Well, in any circumstance, what you're supposed to be able to do is you hit these two, and then the pull tool is supposed to push this out and delete the side completely. But for goodness sakes, we are going to do this and we are going to complete this table the Jada way, because the Jada way is the fun way. And now you have this beautiful table. We're going to draw a rectangle onto the face. Anywhere you like. I don't like it right there. Right there. I'm going to move it because I don't really like it right there. No, I'm not. We're just going to leave it as is. Actually, there. And right here. And there's the rectangle in there. We are going to pull it out to 1 inch. So type in 1 inch and it is pulled out like so. And then we're going to do what we did to make this beveled edge up here. We're going to grab the line tool and we are going to start in the middle, right here and right there. We're going to click the surface. The question is, which surface are we looking? Try this one. Follow me tool. That is not right. One more time. We're going to click the surface and the follow me tool. There it is. Okay. And then 3 clicks to make a component. We'll name this drawer. And we're going to hit create. Now we have a component. And we're going to make it a copy. So click the component, pan to the side, make a copy of this drawer by grabbing the move tool, clicking this endpoint, holding option, dragging it to the side, keep it on the same level. And there's 2. Now with both components selected, I'm going to draw a knob with the circle tool. No, I don't like that knob. There we go. And I'm going to pull it out to 1 inch. And I'm going to do the same. Make that a component. And then grab the move tool. Demonstrate this one more time. Hold option. Grab it to the center. And now you have 2 knobs on a table. And then to delete these guides over here, that are right over there, we are going to go up to edit and delete guides. And now we have this beautifully crafted table that is perfect for any type of placing of objects.